Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yes.
Sir, how are you today?
I think I am pretty good. Thanks, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, where's your full name?
My full name is Shahjat Hussain. You may simply call me Shahjat.
Where are you from?
I come from Tangail, which is one of the most beautiful and economically important districts of Bangladesh.
Great. So, how many family members do you have?
I have 4 family members, my parents, my younger sister, and including me. We live together in the same house.
Do you practice English every day?
Yes, sir. I practice English every day in residential area.
Could you tell me something about your father?
My father is an expert yet. He is very hardworking person in my family. He works hard to keep us happy, and I think he is my role model.
About your mother?
My mother is a homemaker. She takes care of our family. She cooks delicious food for us.
What's your opinion about Raha's English Care?
I think Ras English Care is the best coaching center all over the Bangladesh because I couldn't speak English when I came here, but now I speak English
With
something or
confidence.
yes, sir.
And where's your future plan actually?
Actually, my future plan is to be a great engineer. That's why I wanna go abroad for my high studies.